Good morning, everybody. Here we are again. Got our coffee. Early on a Friday, but we're wrapping the week up now. So we are using Ethos Apple Bourbon Bay Rum. I don't get a lot of the apple or bourbon. I know it's in there. My untrained nose, I get the Bay Rum. It's a very good one, actually. So we've got that, the splash, and because it matched it, and I know I use it a lot, all the time, especially it shows up on video a lot, is the Quilt brush from Graydog. Love this thing. Hope Steve is doing well in Ohio. And I have my birth year and quarter slim adjustable. It's a Delta Echo finish on it. Just a beautiful razor, one I had purchased. There's a story with it. I had purchased it, I'd gotten it used somewhere, obviously, and I'd sent it off to Delta Echo and had it done. Had it for a while, sold it, and then I saw it pop up, saw one pop up on the buy sell trade, and let me go ahead and start getting some lather going here. And I thought, man, I miss that. That's nice colors. Let me get that. Turns out it was the same person I sold it to. I forgot. Was buying it right back again. So, seller's regret. It found its way home to me again. So how are you all doing? Hopefully well. Enjoying your shaves. Clean this tub up to get the lather all around it. Anyway, nice artwork on that too. I don't know if it's showing up or not, but yeah, I don't know if the stupid light helps or not. Anyway, it is there. So we're going to put a fresh Wizamet in this. I've noticed the sleeves of the Wizamets I have, some seem a little better than the others, and I almost think it's the Procter & Gamble ones I have are not as good, but I don't know. Could just be me too, who knows. Alright, got that in there. Let's get some built up on our face. Get some water in it. So it has been warm, and it's getting warmer, mostly humid, but I still made some progress. Interesting, I got the second bid on doing the shed. $2,000 difference. Second one was much more reasonable. At that point, I've already decided I'm just gonna repair the T111. About 12 inches or so up from the bottom is kind of rotting, and so I'm cutting that off, putting the Z flashing in there, and slapping some new T111 on there. Got one side done yesterday. We are on setting 9. And we had quite a few days growth there, if you noticed. Anyway, it's not just getting older, it's not being able to breathe in that humidity. That seems to get to me more than anything else, so. slow going on projects. I have to do it at a much slower pace than I used to. Stop, go in the shop, cool off in the air, catch my breath again, bring my body temp down. But we're getting there. Interesting though that $2,000 difference. I mean, the one price was $5,000 and the other was $3,000. So that's a huge difference at that price level, percentage wise. Someone's really padding their bill. And the second fellow, I told him, I said that was a really reasonable price, but I have decided to go a different route with it. Going to end up repairing it and painting it. And he said, oh, okay. I said, but I would like to get you to do the guttering and everything, guttering and downspouts. He said, okay, no problem. Just let him know when we're ready. So when he asked what the other price was, when I told him, he said, good grief. He said, I make good money at this. He said, at what I priced it. He said, what were they thinking? I said, that's what I was wondering. What were they thinking? But that just shows you that price compare. Prices are ridiculous on things, but not everybody's taking advantage of others. Oh, so I did pick up a paint sprayer at Harbor Freight. A lot of really good reviews for that HVLP handheld electric one. And we are going to give it a go. Should make it a lot easier than when I previously had painted it. And my thinking is, rather than doing the vinyl, is when I did it last time, that paint's lasted 15 years. I was at 62. If it lasts another 15 years at least, I'd be 67. At that point, I'm not going to care what that shed looks like. And I'll have it all said and done. When I put my time into it, I'll have about 500 hours total in it versus 3,000 to 5,000, so decent savings. It's worth not getting in a big hurry and just doing it myself. Just think how much soap that would buy, right? I mean, come on. Oh, speaking of soap, Frank had contacted me, Ethos Grooming Essentials. He had texted me, let me get a rinse. He had texted me yesterday and said that he had a customer of his that got in touch with him and let him know that, hey, I am only using your products anymore because of how beneficial it's been for his skin. And I'm not plugging Frank's for that, but that's what it's good for. Anybody that knows, hey, if you know, you know, right? Yeah. I just wish I'd just go all white if I'm going to have those dark patches on the sides. Anyway. The individual let him know, hey, I'm going to go strictly with yours. And Frank said apparently he knows that I give away soap sometimes on my channel. And he said he has a lot of nice stuff. He wanted to send it to me to give away on the channel. So I was like, yeah, sure, I'll do that. So, again, this is going to be a situation where passing the soap on for free if you're willing to cover the shipping. I have no idea what it is, what's coming, if it'll come, if the person will follow through or not. But if he does, I appreciate it because it will make it available to you if you're interested. If not, I can find friends to give it to locally. But since it was being sent with the idea of giving away on a channel, that's going to be the first thing I'm going to offer. Just haven't seen as many people interested lately, so throwing that out there. We'll see. I'll get a little more of the apple, and I don't know if the bourbon just hides in that rum or what, but still very good. I like that. Put the cap on. I'm smelling what might got around it. I'm not that old. Okay, there you go. Quick one in and out, 12 minutes. Dave in Kentucky. Birth year, quarter, Delta Echo, slim adjustable. Great razor. Got one little pimple there. Still going through adolescence and took that off. I guess I could dab something on that, right? Anyway. Great shave today. Hope you're enjoying your shaves. Ethos Apple Bourbon Bay Rum. Don't know if it's in stock still, if he has it or not. Anyway, it's a great one. If you have it, hope you're enjoying it. Hope you have a great day. What kind of projects you taking care of? I saw some had mentioned some, and everybody's busy doing something, right? Anyway, be kind, be safe out there. We'll see you on the forum.